Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install your signature for iPhones and iPads manually. So once you've created your signature on mysignature.io, you can see that on your dashboard right here. And on the left bottom of preview of your signature, you see the button install, which we need to click. On the top left, we choose which email provider we're going to work with. In this case, is iPhone and iPad. Here is a very handy feature where you can tap on QR code and you can just scan it for your device. Once you've done it, you will have your link opened on the device that you're working with, and you need to copy the signature to clipboard. After that, we need to go to the settings, and we will find on the left of the menu the mail. We just need to scroll down a little bit, click menu, scroll a little bit down again, and you will find the signature section. We click on that, we choose if we want to work with all accounts or per account, and we just paste it what we just copied to the clipboard. After that, we are ready to go back to our email app, try to create a new email and see if it works. I really hope it was useful for you. In case you have any problems, please feel free to contact our support team and they will be happy to help you. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.